Welcome back to Auto Junction, your go-to hub for the most exciting and luxurious vehicles on the planet. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Auto Junction right now and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Today, we're diving into something that perfectly blends Scandinavian elegance with futuristic RV design, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. This isn't just a travel vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece designed for those who want premium comfort, intelligent tech, and sustainable performance wherever the road may take them. From the first glance, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is unmistakably Volvo. The front fascia retains the brand's iconic Thor's hammer-led headlights, but with a more streamlined, futuristic twist. The grille is now fully enclosed, hinting at the fully electric powertrain under the hood. Sleek lines run across the expansive body, giving it a clean, minimalist silhouette that doesn't scream for attention, but still commands it. Chrome details are tastefully minimized in favor of brushed aluminum accents and flush-mounted digital side mirrors, making it one of the most aerodynamic RVs ever built. The panoramic windshield wraps around the sides, offering unmatched visibility for the driver and a stunning view for passengers. But it's not just about looking good on the outside. The performance is just as impressive. Underneath, the Volvo Motorhome is built on a next-generation electric platform with dual motors producing up to 500 horsepower. Despite its large size, it delivers swift acceleration and surprisingly nimble handling. Thanks to adaptive air suspension and torque vectoring, you get up to 800 kilometers of range on a single charge. With ultra-fast charging capability that juices up 80% in under 25 minutes, it's designed for long hauls, mountain climbs, and smooth highway gliding, all while emitting zero emissions. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Volvo has leaned hard into sustainability, using recycled materials, responsibly sourced wood trims, and organic fabrics that feel as good as they look. The interior layout is optimized for both space and comfort. You've got a full-size lounge area with modular seating that transforms into a king-size bed, an open-concept kitchen with an induction cooktop and a smart refrigerator, and a stylish bathroom with a rainfall shower. Every detail is Scandinavian modern. Clean lines, calming tones, and clever storage everywhere. The tech is where this motorhome really shines. The central dashboard is a massive curved OLED touchscreen that controls everything from navigation and entertainment to lighting, climate, and vehicle diagnostics. Volvo's next-gen voice assistant responds to natural speech and integrates seamlessly with your mobile device. There's a projection system that turns any flat wall into a theater screen, 360-degree exterior surveillance for complete peace of mind, and solar panels integrated into the roof to power appliances even when off-grid. Safety, of course, is classic Volvo. You get the full suite of driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even autonomous highway driving. The AI-enhanced sensors can detect pedestrians, wildlife, and even road conditions miles ahead to ensure your journey remains smooth and secure. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't cheap, but it's not meant to be. Starting at around $285,000, it's targeted at those who want to explore the world without ever sacrificing the comfort, tech, or elegance of home. And when you consider everything you're getting, the electric powertrain, the smart interior, the luxury finishes, and the peace of mind, it feels like a justified investment for the modern traveler. So what do you think about this futuristic Scandinavian masterpiece? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the ride, and make sure you're subscribed to Auto Junction for more incredible vehicle reviews. Just like this, we've got more game-changing machines coming up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.